Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with another quick smoothie for you. This is delicious. We got some spinach, again, straight out the bag in the grocery store, right before it turns bad, like you buy it in the grocery store, throw it in the fridge. This is what you use it for, not for your salads, because you're never gonna do it. Again, if I say a half a banana, you should probably use a quarter of a banana. If I say a quarter, then you use half of that. This is about a half a banana. It's gonna add some body, it's gonna add some flavor. If you like banana but want less banana, add less banana. It's your smoothie. This is one large peach. Peaches are still in season. They are delicious right now, super sweet. If you can stick your thumb into the peach, I think that would be perfect to make the smoothie with. Green grapes, with seeds or seedless, it does not matter for this high-powered blender. It'll blend them up. Those are good. And again, into this smoothie, just so we can get it blended, some water. The peaches are gonna release some pectin. The grape skins have some as well, so it's gonna help bloom and thicken the smoothie up. And the banana is gonna add some nice creaminess to it. So in our high-powered blender, we're just gonna crank this up, let it go for about a minute or so. And as a note, for a thicker smoothie, again, you can freeze your fruits like these peaches. The bananas were frozen, the peaches were fresh. If you want, you can pre-slice from a fresh state, then freeze the peaches so your smoothie can be much thicker. But as a midday lunch or snack in between, this is a beautiful green smoothie. The little flecks of the orange and the red from the peaches in there, that is absolutely, absolutely delicious. If you like this recipe and would like to see other smoothies like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the little bell icon in the corner. And make sure you follow us at www.dherbs.com/.